all these hero images are created with ChatGPT 4.0 with the new update. And I will show you now exactly in this video how you can do it by yourself, even came up with the own prompt by yourself without doing anything. Just use ChatGPT. Even that one is created with ChatGPT. And here you can see that's the full file. Just click the first link in the description below and then you get this file. So first thing first, what we're gonna do is we go and look, for example, what I used to do, prime drink ad. I look for ads because then you can see examples what other people already did. And I like this one, so I just take this image, right click, copy image, enter this here and create me a very detailed prompt to recreate this ad, and product image I will add to this prompt to refer to it. So that's what he did. He created this one. We just took it, copy paste, and put it in here. Yes, you can see copy paste referring to the product image. The product image we was just going here, prime drink strawberry watermelon. I got this one. You usually can you can use like PNG. Then most of the files are without background. So that's not what I was using. Edit this one. And ta-da, I got this image. That's it. I mean, you can run it more and more often until you're happy with that one. We can do it again, more realistic. Okay, so and that's already it. So then we go here, we create our frame. We have it here, 600 for emails. We go there, we add that image. That was definitely wrong. We go here. Download the image. We go here, we check the image, and here you go. That's already it. You have the image. Then we can enter a header. That's the next thing we're gonna do. Let's use for header like 50 for example, or 60. Try our new flavor. Maybe we make even more. Let's see. That's too much. Then we go here to 80. Try our new flavor. So what we also gonna do is we need the logo. Here I already have the logo, so just copy paste the logo here. So what we also can do, and a lot of people are asking how we now gonna fill this section on the top. So we take a rectangle, we put it there, we see it's 600, we send it to the back, we go here and we go here. Okay, so we have this gradient movement. Alright. Make this down. Then we start. We check here. We check this color. Then we add more. We take here. We take this color. Mostly that is not enough to take 3, but we will see and check. See? It's still a little bit, we can see it here. So what we're gonna do is we go in there, make another plus, and we use this one and make it more smooth. And we add another one, we add this here, go here, and we can't even see it here. So it's perfect already. And here you go, we added this to our new email. So what we also can do here, we can make it maybe look more like the header. So for example, we make it here white, and we make it stroke, and for example like 4, I don't know. So that's what we can do. Maybe we make even more space. So white, that one in the middle. Try a new flavor, looks completely shit. I wouldn't do it like this. Nah, I would even change the font. This is fine, but let's find something special that looks more to the brand. Let's see what we can find here. This one, no, that doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Maybe that one. Let's see. Spell check. We have English. I know. I think it's the flavor. I think one is English, one is American. Like that, and try our new flavor, and strawberry x watermelon. Check this, 30. This, for example, we can do white. I would actually change this one, make it, for example, like this. Like this way more. Also here, make the logo a little bit bigger. Here, and by the way, the same we can also do for this one. So we'll make it like this. Make it like this, and we go here. And then you can maybe add right from the beginning. One more, and then we start. We don't stop, we don't start, we move this one, tak da 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 da, here, and here, and then we start here again. We have this, we take it from here, check this, we check this, and we take this. That's perfect, or not. It's not perfect because we didn't do it from this side. So we really need to go here. As you can see, we need to go more near. Maybe we add another one. Can happen. So we have it here. As you can see, now it's moving a little bit. We go here. Change it to that one. Here, this one actually looks good. Make it again. And here, move it here. So that looks good. But here we could add another one. Wait. So now we have enough. So sometimes like this, it depends obvious on how crazy the image above is changing or not changing the color. And as you can see, nobody will see the difference. Okay, so now we have the image here. Now we can also make a beautiful button. We'll make it white, for example, like 5. You can use stroke, and then we use a text. Is this text here? Text is black. We bring it to the front, and for example, you can obviously use the basic one, shop now, or get your prime today. Make it in the middle. And that's it. And here you go. You have already your beautiful email header done with ChatGPT. Beautiful image, beautiful headline. I mean, obvious, I wouldn't send it out like this. I would go more in depth, but just because of the video, we make it fast as possible. That's what we did. So first of all, you go here. That could work for anything. We can take, for example, that's a good, Uri. That's a good brand. And you see brands for, so for example, ads like this. And you can also recreate ads like this, or I recreated. Also, you can see here this image. You saw? That's what I used here for. I told him, okay, I put this image again in ChatGPT, tell me, create this prompt. I used the prompt, I used this car, so the product inside there doesn't look too weird. If you just tell ChatGPT use make a Ford truck, it will look maybe a little bit weird. That's the same with that one. It could look very weird, but if you actually use this image and also add this to your prompt, the image will be look way better, the results. As you can see here, even all the text and all that stuff is 100% the same as that one. Okay, so hope I could help you with that one, and click the first link below in the description for this file. And if that is all too much for you and you're like, nah, still I don't like it, then book a free audio call. I will check your Klaviyo account, I will check your emails, I will check your pop-ups, I will check your flows, your campaigns, and we'll go through it and let's see if there's anything I can do for you. And yeah, maybe we can partner up and work together. See you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.